Otokar, a Turkish defense manufacturer under the Koç Group, has secured a key joint venture agreement with Romania's Automecanica SA to locally produce the COBRA II 4x4 armored vehicle. This development follows the Romanian Ministry of Defence's recent contract for 1,059 units, as part of its broader military modernization plan aimed at fortifying its defense infrastructure. The new venture will see Otokar and Automecanica equally sharing ownership of a facility dedicated to manufacturing, engineering, marketing, and after-sales services for the COBRA II. This collaboration is designed to enhance Romania's defense industry, ensuring not only the production of the vehicle but also ongoing support for the Romanian armed forces. The COBRA II, which builds upon the success of its predecessor, the COBRA 4x4, is a combat-tested vehicle known for its versatility and robust performance. Developed in the early 2010s and officially entering service with the Turkish military in 2014, the COBRA II offers advanced features such as improved protection, greater payload, and enhanced mobility. Its design includes the ability to handle a wide range of missions, from troop transport to internal security, all while offering exceptional protection against threats like mines and armor-piercing rounds. The vehicle's popularity has extended beyond Turkey, with countries like Qatar, Bangladesh, and Tunisia adopting the COBRA II for various military operations, including peacekeeping and border security. This growing international interest highlights the vehicle's reliability and adaptability in a variety of combat environments. The partnership in Romania is set to not only boost local employment and technological capabilities but also position Romania as a key player in the regional defense industry. The country is now poised to become a hub for COBRA II production, servicing NATO partners and other allied nations with the advanced vehicles. For Otokar, this move is a critical step in its global strategy, reinforcing its position as a leading supplier of advanced military vehicles. The venture underscores the company's long-term commitment to international growth through partnerships that emphasize local manufacturing and sustainable defense solutions.